How to download music in Spotify. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download music on Spotify so you can listen offline no matter where you are. So it's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app and log in with your account. You'll need a premium subscription to download music for offline listening. Once you're logged in, search for the song, playlist, or album you want to download. You can simply do that by going into the search bar and searching for it. Now, to download a music, simply go to the music or page that you want. Now, here, if you have premium, you'll get a simple green arrow appear showing that your music is downloading. After you simply tap on the download button. Once the download is complete, you can listen to your music offline by simply going to settings and enabling offline mode. And that's it. Now you know how to download music on Spotify and listen offline.